Bohr's atomic model, and neutrons.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Rutherford's model failed to explain atom stability. Niels Bohr made modification in Rutherford's model and presented an advanced version of atomic model. Bohr compared structure of atoms with planetary motion. As the planets revolve around the Sun, electrons revolve around the nucleus.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So, according to Bohr's theory, electrons revolve in circular paths called as orbits or energy shells or energy levels. There is possibility of infinite orbits in an atom. However, in very few discrete, that is, distinct orbits, electrons have stable energies. Therefore, only stable orbits are allowed in an atom. Energy of an electron may undergo change only if electron jump from one orbit to another. If electron gain energy, it will jump to higher orbit, or if it loses energy, then it will jump to lower level. Orbits or shells are represented by alphabets K, L, M, N, or also by numbers n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Before continuing with this, it is important to know the discovery of neutron.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Around 1920s, it was believed that atom is composed of protons and electrons. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered another subatomic particle while experimenting in Cavendish laboratory. This particle was named as neutron. Neutrons have mass similar to that of proton. Nucleus of atoms contains neutrons along with protons. Together these are called as nucleons. Neutrons are represented by small n. The mass of atom is given as sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. In 1935, Chadwick was honored with Nobel Prize in Physics for discovery of neutrons. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed learning discovery of neutrons. Stay connected for more concepts.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.